Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about best side hustles for teenagers. So make sure to watch the full video. According to the Luzazhou, 50% of millennials and 70% of Gen Z say they have a side hustle in 2022. This means that young people are quite active in the labor market. When you're a teenager, you're constantly seeking extra money, whether it's for a night out with friends or to cover a cell phone bill. The good news is that in the world we live in, there are amazing side hustles for teens that can help you earn pocket money in your spare time. Doing side hustles can teach you valuable financial lessons about how to make money and do business work. In the long run, these lessons will help you develop the mindset and work ethic that will make you a financially independent and responsible adult. 10 side hustles for teens that will help them make money. It might be challenging to select the finest jobs because there are so many various types available. That's why we created this list of the 10 side hustles that teenagers take advantage of and earn extra money. 1. Freelance writing. If you're good at writing and you're creative while expressing your thoughts on paper, then freelance writing is a perfect solution for you. Writing articles and getting paid for that is a great way to earn extra money regardless of age. It's not reserved only for teenagers. So it's worth a try. Who knows, you might make a good career out of it. Many great content writers and copywriters have started as freelance writers. If you don't know where to start, go on the internet and search for websites for freelance remote jobs, such as Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour, and so on. 2. Graphic design and programming. If you love computers and love creating beautiful landing pages or coding websites and apps, then you can work as a UI or UX designer or graphic designer or web developer in your spare time. Like writing, this is another great way to earn extra money and start a great career. In the beginning, you can start with small projects, for example. You can make a website for your school or make a logo or wallpaper for someone. And that's how you'll start with building a portfolio. As your skill set grows, you can search for internship opportunities or freelance work on open source projects. 3. Taking online surveys. Taking online surveys is another way to earn easy money during your spare time while you are at home. All you have to do is share your opinion on a certain topic or write an overview of some products, and that's it. There are lots of websites for online surveys, such as SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, Pinnacle Research, and so on. To start completing online surveys, you need a few spare minutes a day and a valid email address to begin conducting online surveys, because most of these websites require. 4. Social media marketing. Digital marketing rises in recent years, and everyone wants to advertise his business online and get more customers for his products. This side hustle is an opportunity for you to start earning good money and learn about business. All you have to do is create a profile on some of the social media platforms, get followers, and increase the traffic to your profile. Then offer your profile as a place for paid advertising, and some of the business owners will contact you to create a marketing campaign for them and advertise their products. 5. Pet caretaking. If you are good with animals and like to spend time with them, pet caretaking is a good way to earn extra money. You can locate friends and neighbors who would be happy to hire you to take care of their animals while they're not at home. Pet caretaking has many benefits. On the one hand, it will allow you to earn extra money, and on the other hand, it will help you develop empathy for other living beings. It will also teach you a lot about parenting because animals are like children. 6. Creating artwork or crafts. Many young people have hobbies, and many of that hobbies are artwork and craft related. If you're one of them, then you should start thinking about making a business of that, because many people are willing to pay good bucks for handmade products. There are many opportunities to make money starting with digital artwork, printing t-shirts, designing coffee mugs, creating jewelry and pottery, painting portraits, and so on. Find your favorite niche, search for potential customers, and you're ready to go. Who knows, maybe your hobby will grow into a serious business one day. 7. Podcasting. Another way to make money is to start your podcast. Nowadays, Podcasts are quite popular and well attended by people of all ages. So if you have interesting topics such as online gaming or streaming, topics about technology, and so on, then go ahead. All you have to do is a microphone, a quiet place, and a few hours per week to create your podcast. After you gain enough fan base, you can earn some sponsorship money from advertisements or YouTube payments. This is a great way to side hustle not only while you're a teen but also later in life as a passive income. 8. Create online courses. If you are a good student or you have skills for certain craftsmanship and desire to share that knowledge with other people, then why not profit from it by doing it? As more and more education becomes online, so does the demand for online courses increases. All you have to do is create a profile on some online platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or YouTube and offer your services to people who want to learn from your expertise. If you are a good teacher, you'll be surprised how many people will like to attend your classes. 9. Food delivery. This side hustle is a good old way of making extra cash, and it's been around since ancient times. Food delivery is one of the most common jobs people do, and it's a perfect part-time job for young people to earn money. Many restaurants and cafes hire workers for food delivery. All you have to do is send them your CV or ask them for a job offer, and you can start with work. One disadvantage here is that you must be 18 years old to be able to work this job, because you need to possess a driving license. 10. Blogging. Blogging is another form of sharing expertise and knowledge with people, which makes it a profitable side hustle business for everyone, including teenagers. You can start writing your articles and sharing them for free, or you can monetize your blog through affiliate marketing and sponsored articles. If you think you can be good at having a blog, then go ahead. Maybe you can make a successful career of it. Some bloggers have the luck of turning their blogging into a successful full-time business. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.